Hello students. Today I am going to talk to those candidates and students who dreams of joining and pursuing content writing careers. And we are also going to parallelly understand how the emergence of AI, artificial intelligence, is impacting this field. But before we do so, let us understand what are the different kinds of content writing careers which are available today. The first career where content writing skill is required is in the field of journalism, be it online or print. There are certain methods, editing skills which you need to acquire in order to do well in this field. Next field where content writing skill is absolutely integral is digital marketing. So you want to be a social media marketer, you want to be a blogger, you want to develop web content. So you need to master SEO skills, you need to understand machine algorithm, search engine algorithm. All these skills and understanding has to be incorporated with your content writing skills. Next, it is also very integral for careers in marketing, PR and advertising. In this field, you need to be absolutely very creative, very persuasive, customer-centric writers. So content writing in this field requires a different kind of mindset and aptitude. The next field which I wanted to discuss about if you are considering content writing careers is technical writing. Industries like technical industries and healthcare industries, you need very specialized understanding of complex products and services and equipment. You know, if you are a technical content writer, you have to be a subject matter expert, you have to be a specialist in that domain who has the right content writing skills. Even in academic and research writing, you need a lot of subject knowledge, understanding and depth. So having understood all these career opportunities, now we may consider how AI is impacting the content writing careers today. So many assumes, many speculates that AI is going to replace content writers and it's going to take away content writing jobs and careers. Well, if you ask me, in my opinion, when that time has not yet come. Because even today, AI is actually empowering content writers to boost their productivity and boost their content writing performance. However, AI is also challenging the future content writers and demanding some extra skills from them to be able to excel in this field. Now, what are those skills basically? Nowadays, content writers are just not writers. They are storytellers, they are data analysts, they are marketers, they are innovators, they are collaborators. Nowadays, you can understand with all these skills, they have the content writing professionals, the aspiring content writing professionals has to take the care and the necessary preparation to aggregate all these skills during their learning journey, during their education journey, to be able to prepare themselves for the future challenges of content writing careers. So if you ask me, I will recommend and advise all of you to absolutely embrace AI, but please don't compromise your unique voice, your identity, your perspective, customer centricity and understanding of target audience and your inherent creativity. If you want to excel in this field, if you want to become successful and set yourself apart in this ever evolving field of content writing. Thank you so much and all the best for your careers.